Hello everyone, in this video we'll be looking at the 10 best online proofreading jobs for beginners. So if you are just getting started in proofreading and you have no experience, this is definitely the video for you. While doing my research on finding the best proofreading jobs online, I came across this blog article by Millennium Money and I decided that we would give it a look. So join me. As you can see here, if you don't know what proofreading is the final stage of the editing process, which takes place once the first draft has been written and run through by an editor. Proofreaders are the last in line before a piece of work is published. So now that we know what proofreading is, let me show you the 10 best online proofreading websites at the moment. The first one that we would recommend, as you can see here, is FlexJobs. And FlexJobs is a freelancing website that you can go on. So you'll simply go on to FlexJobs, create a profile, and from there you're going to start to accept proofreading jobs, or you can start searching for proofreading jobs. Another freelancing website that I would recommend that you give a try as a new freelancer is Fiverr. And with Fiverr, on average, they start off paying $5, and there are normally a lot of jobs available on Fiverr, so it's a good freelancing website to go on if you're just getting started in freelancing. And another freelancing website that you can look at if you want to get started in proofreading is Upwork. And with Upwork, you'll be able to set your price, and also Upwork normally gets some better gigs, some better paying gigs than Fiverr. So it's a bit better than Fiverr, although it tends to be more competitive. Another website that you could sign up to and post jobs and hopefully get a few jobs is LinkedIn. As you can see, LinkedIn is a well-respected place to search for high-quality jobs. You can input remote into the location option to ensure that you narrow your search down to online proofreading jobs. It's also possible to create alerts for jobs that match your search terms and have new jobs sent straight to your inbox daily. Just remember to create multiple alerts including all the key terms. So I would definitely recommend that you sign up to linkedin.com. The other website on the list is Indeed. You have probably heard about Indeed before, but not everybody realizes the number of remote jobs on there. Competition can be high since Indeed is one of the most well-known job websites in the world, and it's extremely convenient to use. But for the same reason, you can afford to ignore it. And another website on the list is Monster. And monster.com is definitely a good option, as you can see right here, as it works almost like Indeed that I had just gone over a while ago. So you can apply and hopefully you will be able to get a job. And if I should scroll down, you can see some other websites that you'll be able to apply to for proofreading jobs that require a degree. So I recommend that you definitely give this blog post a visit, which is millenniummoney.com. I'll be leaving a link in the description. So if you have a degree, you could go over these. So you could apply to Cactus Global or Edit 911 or Edit Fast. You can see there are numerous options and numerous platforms you can apply to if you are getting started in proofreading. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.